Good afternoon, evening, morning, whenever y'all are watching this. So today I'm going to do a oil change on a John Deere Z960M with the big 72-inch deck. So what we got are 5mm Allen key for the drain plug that's down in there. We got our drain plug, our John Deere oil and filter, and then a bucket to put the oil in. So I'm gonna go warm this thing up for a few minutes and let's get this cracking. So parking brake is on. Yep. All right, so for the record, if you got the quick drain, it takes the 6mm, not the 5. So we got this thing right here. I'm gonna put a screwdriver in there to help hold that steady so it doesn't back out of the block and pop that off. So I'm gonna put y'all right over here. Probably can't see anything, but that's all right. And that's just enough to get her moving. So now we can just kind of keep going the rest of the way. Make sure your drain bucket's positioned correctly. And look at that, we got flow. I can't see, yeah, a little bit, there we go. So drain that out. I'm gonna break the filter loose. All right, there we go. And put a rag under there so that doesn't drip. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit bigger set of paper towel. So I'm just gonna go quick. There we go. Put that down there. Oh yeah, it's still very much filled with oil. So grab the new filter. These small, cute little things. So I like to pre-fill them. So just grab a little bit of oil. And you just dab it up. So that'll kind of soak into that paper membrane, and so that'll kind of help with that initial start so you're not completely oil starved. And then so as you can see, it's got oil, so you want to go quick on and spin it on. So we're going to go like that. Make sure it's centered. So it should spin on easy. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Just a little hand tighten. So now all this can go. Go just down there, so not too much of a mess. All right, it's all nice and clean. That thing's still draining. Give her a few more minutes and then I'll close that up and fill her up. All right, so finished draining. So I'm gonna hand screw that most of the way. All right, handy dandy tool. Put y'all back up in here. So put that next to it so you don't rotate it. And then just give her a good, all right, that's good. Cool. And now it's fill time. So oil dipstick, up and out. It's recommended to use a funnel, but you don't have to. So we're gonna go like this. And just slowly pour it in. All right, so there's two. We'll grab the third. So this takes 2.1 jugs of this. So 2.1 liters. So we'll do just a little bit extra. Nice, sweet. All right, let's close her up, fire it up, check the oil. So I'm gonna do a little leak check. So you just look to see if you're leaking anything before you fire it up. Nothing on the ground. So she's sealed up. Let's fire it up and check it. So hold on, wipe it clean. All right, here we go, fresh dipstick. Look at that. Perfecto. Nice. And that's a wrap. All right, I'm gonna do some cutting.